As you can see right now, I have a Chanel box. It's not a bag, so let's open it first. I have 7 different styles of all Chanel small leather goods on hand. I remember going into Chanel, I have a very limited budget. What can I pick out that I could get most use out of it? And we're gonna start from the smallest one to full-size wallet. I wanted to show you guys what they are, what price points they have, and also how many things can one really fit. So that way you can pick the right style within your own budget. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. My name's Vivian and this is my first luxury. Over here we share a lot of information on anything that's related to luxury. So if you're interested in watching videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And today I have such a special project. I want to do a walkthrough over the Chanel SLG with you guys because I collect these pieces throughout the years and I wanted to share with you guys what are some of the pros and cons in different styles. I'm not here to tell you guys what to buy and what not to buy, but I do want to share the very practical ways of using these small leather goods. I believe I have 7 different styles of them on hand with me, so I feel incredibly lucky that I get to make this video. And also, if you're new to our channel, welcome. We make a lot of videos on My First Luxury and also on social media, aka the Instagram account over here. I share a lot of what things look like when you wear them, so make sure you follow us over there as well. Let's get started. I wanted to start with the smallest items, and I have a Chanel simple card holder here. I personally am a big fan of the timeless CC logo, so I have maybe 1 or 2 other pieces that has this kind of logo on there. This card holder, it has 4 compartments. It has 3 card slots, 1 in the front, 2 in the back, and we have a middle compartment for you to put more cards in there. It's recommended that you put 1 card in each slot so you're not overly stretching these things, but I know, you know, once we get over owning a new item, a lot of times we just tend to like shovel 2 cards in there. I definitely think it works, but it might just shorten the lifespan of a leather good piece. It's up to you. Okay, so how many of these cards are going to fit into this card holder? I'm gonna try it right now. So I have 1 that goes in here, which fits perfectly. It's very loose, it's not very tight. 2 and 3, and let's see. In the middle, I could fit 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is feeling pretty full already, and I'm not sure if you can see, but you know, sometimes when you fit 1 too many cards, the card holder will start looking very bulgy. So let's not overdo it, but you can definitely fit probably 1 to 2 cards in each compartment. The next piece I wanted to share with you guys is actually this card holder with a leather zipper coin purse. It also has 4 card slots, 1 in the front and 3 in the back, and in the middle, unlike the simple card holder, this one has a coin purse where you can put change in here or even cash. Price for this one is going to be a little bit more than just a simple card holder, but it is something to consider. I think you can also put credit cards in there. I just shoveled everything. I have about like 9 cards in there and it's pretty much full. And you can see that it's bulging pretty badly right now. I do not encourage you guys to do that, but this one fits a little bit more than a simple card holder. If you like it, this will be a good style for you. This is probably one of my personal favorite styles of small leather goods from Chanel, which is the small card holder. I feel very lucky that I actually have 2 right now, and this one is actually the original style of card holder that Chanel has made, because currently the new version looks like this. I think the main difference between these 2 are just, you know, the flap opening. The original one has a flat flap over here, so when you open it, it just opens up this way. And this is the new version of the card holder, which now they've made a little like half circle opening over here. And when you open it, it pretty much has the same layout as the previous one. And they do not have any compartments on the back side of them. So once you open up this style of card holder, there is one slot and then one big compartment for you to put multiple cards in there. So this is my favorite because I remember going into Chanel and just remembering, you know, I have a very limited amount of budget. What can I pick out that I could get most use out of it? And I remember that evening when I went into the store, it was pretty dead. Not a lot of people were there, so I actually got to spend some quality time with the salesperson that helped me, and she basically just told me, girl, you need to get this one because this is on everybody's wish list. You're lucky that it's in front of you right now. So I'm like, okay, wrap it up. Later on, I just fell in love with, because I think this is probably the most practical material, which is the caviar leather, and also it has a light gold kind of button logo here. Now it's kind of worn off, and I still remember the day when I got it, and I used this for so many years, and this is definitely like one of my ride and die OG luxury pieces with me. So it holds a very special place in my heart. Alright, these two are absolutely my favorites. I have the original style card holder, and later on I think Chanel developed a newer design, so mine is like the flat kind, and on the inside they're pretty much the same. It has a middle compartment, a little card holder here, and this is the most current style of their card holders, which is the flap with a little mini flap right in the front. If you were to open it, they are exactly the same. So they will fit a lot, because if you look at the sides over here, let me open the other one. I feel like I'm forcing them to do something right now. I'm trying my best to kind of expand it, but if you can see how much space, you know, each card holder gives you, that's how many cards you can fit in there. But I wouldn't encourage it because it could overstuff it and break your leather. So that's these two styles, and I have a stack of credit card like cards, and I currently have like 8 credit card lookalike cards. I'm gonna pop them in there, and you can see this one didn't break in too much, but it still gives you a more reasonable space for you to put more things in there. And you can clip it, and this is what the side looks like, and this is the bag. Up next, half zippy wallet. The last 3 pieces, my go-to color is definitely pink. I'm going to show you guys. So let's see how many of my cards are going to fit in there. I personally am not a big fan of it because I feel like these are as big as the credit cards, meaning the card slots. And let's just see. I feel like it's like a struggle to have to take things out, but obviously it fit all 7 cards perfectly. So now this is zipped, and you know, it's not overly full. I definitely think it's very cute and dainty, and I definitely have fallen in love with the color. However, my personal go-to would probably still have to be one of these card holders. We are going up in a little bigger size, and this item is probably one of the most beloved styles of small leather goods from Chanel. I'm going to show you guys this one as the example. This is the Chanel Mini O Case. I think it's a very understated piece because I have not heard about this or have not seen like posts about this until recent years on social media. It's blown up, and this is nothing but just a zipper pouch. I think it provides multiple functions because you can use it as a wallet if you don't care about compartments like me, and basically this is like my most used small leather goods at the moment. And it just has a very simple like leather compartment, and in there I pretty much fit whatever that fits. I don't want to stuff it, and I don't want to put coins in there because I have a separate coin purse I actually got when I was traveling, and I really like the size of it. It also has a zipper compartment, so I separate my cash, my cards away from my coins. And obviously I had to get this one because when my friend showed me this, I was like, this is what girls' dreams are made of. And definitely it's, once again, it's pink color and it has glitters on it. I just think it screams everything girls, like you must have this. All right, this is, like I said, one of my favorite old cases. I love the glittery detail. Let me just show you how this is just what dreams are made of. You can literally put so many things in here. Literally anything that fits, right? Anything that fits, anything that's like vertical, and fit a few more things here, which I do like to take some perfume samples with me if I'm on the go. And this is also like a perfect wristlet. It's just something that is really, it's easy, you know? You can pretty much do anything you want with it. Okay, so I have two more styles. I mean, this is 4, but I have 2 more styles to show you. I think we should probably go for this one first. And this piece, like I told you, you can see it has the outline of the timeless CC, and it's in a stitched kind of Chanel logo. And I think this is one of those that I was just afraid to use because it's a lighter color, and also the corners already start to like wear off after I've only used it for like 2 weeks. But this is a regular style bifold wallet. Hello, this is one of my favorite styles, and like I told you guys, I really love the CC stitching. And it's a half fold, but once you open it up, it's set up in a vertical way. So this is how you would actually use the wallet. And like I said, I think there are 8 card slots here, and there is 1 compartment here, 1 compartment here, and on the right hand side you have more pockets that could help you fit more things. And obviously a zipper coin compartment is also attached. So this is a full functioning wallet. A lot of people like to go for the zippy style, but I personally like this one a lot. There's nothing on the back side. Okay. And last but definitely not least, because it is an iridescent style of wallet, and I think I start seeing this style of wallet since last year, maybe 2018, 2019, Chanel started with this brand new style of a long wallet. This is one of the newest addition to my collection, and this is, like I said, one of the new styles of the long wallet. You can see that in here there are 3 card slots. You can fit 1 to 2 cards each, I would recommend. And on the inside there are 3 more compartments with 1 more pocket here, so you can store something that's a little bit more important. On the back side there's no more compartments. The reason why they designed this is so that your cell phone could also fit in there. So it's really cool, but it's a big wallet, which most of the time does not fit into my small bags. So this is an iPhone, and voila. So this kind of becomes a lot more thicker than I want it to be. If I'm going out, I do think it's good to have this compartment. And on the back side, you just see beauty. Alright you guys, if you have watched the video until this point, I assume you like the video. Make sure you check out the other videos on our channel. I did put more links in the description box below, so if you want to check that out, it's going to be there waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have not subscribed yet, it's not too late to hit the subscribe button, and also make sure you turn on the notification bell because I might be surprising you with more videos coming up. And take care guys. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye. It's time.